Xiaomi has launched its new flagship camera-centric phone in China called Xiaomi 17 Ultra, with a physical zoom ring around its circular camera island. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra features a tall 6.9-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is protected by Dragon Crystal Glass 3 on the top, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 840 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra sports an Leica-tuned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with 1-inch Light Fusion 1050L sensor plus 200-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.2x to 4.3x continuous optical zoom support, and there is 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 115-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, and it can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6,800 mAh battery, with 90 watts wired fast charging support, and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16, based on HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.9 by 77.6 by 8.46 millimeters, and it weighs around 229.8 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra has been priced in China for 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 7,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 1TB storage option is priced at 8,999 Chinese yuan. And the non-Leica edition has been priced as follows. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 27th, in black, white, smoky purple, and starry green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi 17 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.